Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is something that many of us have experienced at some point in our lives, getting over a breakup. Breakups can be tough, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can navigate through this challenging time and come out stronger on the other side. In this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to help you heal, regain your confidence, and move forward after a breakup. Let's get started. Step 1. Acknowledge your feelings, host. The first step in healing from a breakup is to acknowledge and accept your emotions. It's normal to feel sadness, anger, confusion, and even relief. Allow yourself to experience these emotions without judgment. Take the time to grieve the loss of the relationship and understand that it's okay to feel hurt. Step 2. Allow yourself to heal, host. Healing takes time, and it's important to give yourself permission to heal. Focus on self-care activities that bring you joy and comfort. Engage in activities like exercise, journaling, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Surround yourself with positive influences and create a support system that can help you through this process. Step 3. Reflect and learn, host. Take this opportunity to reflect on the relationship and learn from it. What were the strengths and weaknesses? What lessons can you take away from this experience? This self-reflection can provide valuable insights into yourself and your future relationships. Step 4. Let go of the past, host. Holding on to the past can hinder your healing process. It's important to let go of any resentment, anger, or attachment to the relationship. Practice forgiveness, not only towards your ex-partner but also towards yourself. Understand that letting go doesn't mean forgetting, but rather accepting and moving forward. Step 5. Rediscover yourself, host. Use this time to reconnect with yourself and rediscover your passions and interests. Explore new hobbies, set goals, and focus on personal growth. Surround yourself with positive experiences that help you rebuild your sense of identity and independence. Step 6. Build a support system, host. It's crucial to have a strong support system during this time. Seek support from friends, family, or even professional counselors or therapists who can provide guidance and help you process your emotions. Surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. Step 7. Focus on self-care, host. Self-care is vital during the healing process. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Prioritize activities that nourish your body, mind, and soul. This could include exercise, healthy eating, practicing mindfulness, getting enough sleep, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Step 8. Set boundaries, host. Establishing healthy boundaries is crucial after a breakup. Communicate your needs and expectations clearly with your ex-partner, and also set boundaries with yourself. This may involve limiting contact, unfollowing them on social media, or even seeking new environments where you can focus on your healing journey. Step 9. Embrace growth and new opportunities, host. Use this time as an opportunity for personal growth and exploration. Take on new challenges, pursue your passions, and step out of your comfort zone. Embracing new opportunities can help you regain confidence, build resilience, and create a fulfilling life post-breakup. Step 10. Keep moving forward, host. Remember that healing is a process and everyone's journey is unique. There may be setbacks along the way, but don't let them discourage you. Keep moving forward, be patient with yourself, and trust that with time, you will heal and find happiness again. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to get over a breakup. Remember, healing takes time, so be gentle with yourself throughout this process. Surround yourself with love, support, and positive energy. You are stronger than you think, and you will get through this. Stay positive, focus on self-care, and embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and keep moving forward.